Hello, everyone. This is your loving host, Dr. Rafshan Hashmi. And this morning, there was a very unusual attack on me of glass pieces. And I was lying down, and then, it's so much of pain. I don't know what to do. When President Trump there was a political attempt on President Trump on assassination. And that day also, I was in glass pieces, and then FBI and United States Secret Service cleaned me. And yesterday also there were glass pieces attack on me. Today also there was glass pieces attack on me, and there was so much of noise, in my ears through radio signals. I don't know, folks, what is happening in America. Why America is a diseased state. From this forum, this is my podcast, and it will be syndicated worldwide to 300 million listeners. And I haven't taken breakfast or anything. I just said, like, I will hop on this channel, and I will talk about what this thing is about. And I just heard that Biden says, I feel good about President Biden says, and I feel for him that he gets recovered soon. And it's a very sad day for America that I read a news that the Biden says, I feel good after testing positive for COVID-19 and canceling campaign speech video. The White House confirmed the US president tested positive for COVID 19 and was experiencing mild symptoms, saying he has had a running nose and journal malaise. Biden was slated to make a campaign speech at the UNIDOS US annual conference as part of an effort to rally Latino voters ahead. Of the November election, UNODO CEO Janet Murguia told guests at the conference that Biden had sent his regrets and could not appear because of this positive test. I live in Montgomery County, in Rockville, Maryland, and I have seen people with my own eyes, throwing COVID, because I am a scientist by profession. And let me just introduce my two books. The first one is the Modern Mughal Mentality, New Strategies to Succeed in India and the Global Marketplace. And the second one is The Outbreak of a Monstrous Infection. So the first one is, when it came, it was hot number one new release on Amazon. And the second one is The Outbreak of a Monstrous Infection. When these two books came, there was lot of research going on Jugaad. And this was my first book, and it was also, hot number one new release on Amazon. And I have devised a business model, Jugaad, with thinking outside the box. And The Outbreak of a Monstrous Infection is also it's also, The Outbreak of a Monstrous Infection is also, Amazon bestseller. And I want a movie to be made, and Tailflix has given me a very good evaluation. And so, folks, having said that, folks, I just wanted to remind you that, what is going on in America. I have seen with my own eyes people throwing, I this book I wrote about bioterrorism. And also, that this book, The Outbreak of a Monstrous Infection, it came before COVID. And here I have said in the introduction, just see what I have said in the introduction. I anticipated that bioterrorists are coming inside the country, and they are throwing through drones, they are throwing diseases. And I get droned every day. And I have been talking to my doctor and to FBI and United States Secret Service about this. So Secret Service and FBI knows about it, and I have already reported it to Attorney General's office. And I am shocked, to see that what is going on in America. See, I have written here. There are many kinds of biological warfare agents, and Biological warfare agents are a threat to the human population. Nobody should get their hands on them. Scientists working in various labs should be very careful as to how to dispose these agents. Strict protocols should be in place in disposing these agents. This story is an imagination cocktail I have concocted with my imagination. Everything written here is fictional. So this book came before COVID was discovered, and it's an Amazon bestseller. You can go and buy it because these two books bring food to the table. Having said that, folks, after reading it, let me read some more news. Yeah, I was so disturbed that I have been talking about it in my this podcast show, and also, folks. So, having said that, folks, let's talk about it. It says 15 hours ago, President Joe Biden tested positive for COVID 19 while traveling Wednesday in Las Vegas and is experiencing mild symptoms, including journal malaise from the infection, the White House said. Press Secretary Katrina Jean-Pierre and Biden will fly to his home in Delaware, where he will self-isolate and will continue to carry out all of his studies fully during that time. The news had first been shared by UNODA's U.S. President and CEO Janet Murgua, who told guests at the group's convention in Las Vegas that President had sent his regrets and could not appear because he tested positive for the virus. So I don't know what is happening here in Montgomery County. A day before yesterday, I was sitting in Panera, and there was this guy, who had like some drones in his glass, and he was, I don't know whether he was aware of it or not, and why these, people, because here people are dumped from prison reform, and they don't know anything, and he was, like taking a glass, and in that, there was lice drone. I have been droned, since 2011 when this thing had started, when this thing has started. So folks, please, please, just think about it, that how bioterrorism is going on in America. I don't know what to say to these people, and what to say to President Biden and Vice President Madam Kamala Harris, that why these bioterrorists are being harbored in Montgomery County. And after reading this, I have seen people throwing COVID. I can smell COVID. I'm a scientist by profession. I can smell COVID. I have all the vaccines. And when I went to my doctor, when I saw people throwing drones, and they have thrown so many drones at me. This morning, there were glass pieces as President Trump was politically attempt to assassinate him. And I have seen how people are throwing COVID, in the air. So what is going on? Is the border not secure, or is Madam Kamala Harris, what are you doing regarding it? Because some of the people I have seen are from Tamil Nadu. So please, don't bring those terrorists to this country. And having said that, folks, let me read what COVID is and what FDA has to say. It says, let's see what FDA has to say. I don't see any news from FDA on this. FDA roundup, June 14, 2024. What CDC has to say about COVID? Let's go there. FDA has nothing on that. Let me go to the first page of FDA and see if they have something before I can. No. There is nothing on FDA's webpage. Well, the current President Joe Biden has COVID, and I saw President Joe Biden walking. He could not even, he was bending and he could not even walk. Now the next side, President Trump will mock him, on the stage and say that, oh, he is old, he cannot walk. Vote for me, vote for this and that, and I just don't like this. I just want everybody, the American citizens, to be safe. I have voted for President Trump, and I like him. I have voted. I'm going to vote for President Joe Biden. If he brings Vice President as carry, because this Tamil Nadu agenda at both sides of the aisle is not acceptable at all. Like those, I have seen those Tamil people. They are very rude. I am from India. They are very rude. They are throwing COVID. They are illiterate people. They don't know what to do. And I have seen some other people throwing the COVID virus. Even I had, thrown COVID virus, and being a scientist, I have seen that. Having said that, folks, now let's see what CDC has to say. Now the current president has COVID, and let's see, FDA has nothing on it. No emergency response, nothing for citizens, how to respond to that. When COVID came, I went to my doctor, and I said to my doctor that COVID has spread, and then, she did that. And why somebody is trying to mess with my head, because I know some bioterrorists, the terrorists, they have got access to secret files of America, and these terrorists are messing up with the president, with President Trump, as well as with President Trump, as well as with President Joe Biden. So these terrorists should be arrested as soon as possible. I would request United States Secret Service, and I would request FBI to arrest them, and I would request Justice Department of United States of America to look into this, that who are these bioterrorists and who is harboring them. Having said that, folks, let's go to uh, so let's go to this uh, CDC website and see if they have an emergency response there. So see this. There is no, on the page, there is no that if COVID is spread and the current president has got that, what are they hiding? Like, who are these terrorists, and why they are not tried by the United States Attorney General's office? I will send this file to Attorney General's office, so that, he can read it and he can see that who are these terrorists. Having said that, folks, please say that these are my two books. Please please buy these books, as these books bring food to the table. Having said that, folks, cheers and bye bye.